Travel. I'm out here with Chief Nino Norte, my man Josh. 2026, dog, Twins Fest. Yeah. It is an honor celebration of twins, so we outside all day.
Hello, my name is Josh Finibel with African Roots Travel. Today is the Twin Festival. If you ask me, what is the Twin Festival? So the guys have this celebration or the festive celebration called Homowo. Before the celebration of Homowo, we have the Twin celebration. In the Ghana customs and traditions, the twins play a very important part in their traditions. If you give birth to a twin, you have to celebrate that twin. Once you celebrate your twin, it comes with blessing and all that good tidings that you need. So today, it's a Friday. We celebrate the twins on Friday before the Homowo on Saturday. So today, we are here to celebrate the twins, and we are so proud to be part in celebrating the twins. We hope as we celebrate the twins, we go and have that blessing that they bring. So, African Roots Travel in the house, we out.
Maurice Cheatham checking in from Tessie House, 2026 Homowo, the Yam Fest. It was a blast. Truly enjoyed ourselves. The parade of twins coming together in Mount Proby. I'm so thankful. African Roots Travel checking out. Yo, see us in 2027. God Mashie Homowo. Peace.